Well, thanks everyone for coming. We just wanted to share the baby steps with you guys. So Randy's gonna cut the cake now. Yep.
Oh, before Randy cuts the cake, no matter what it is, we just want it to be a healthy baby. And so long as it's intact and
Healthy baby boy or girl.
But I know what it is.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. What does everyone want?
Oh, cut it, please. They all want boys.
I don't
What do you
mind.
want, Dad?
I don't mind. Girl, boy, same.
Tony
Boy.
wants a boy.
Same to
Filippo
me.
wants a boy.
Romeo.
Boy. Ange wants a boy. I just want a healthy baby.
So do I. Okay, Randy. Where's the thing, Rhea?
Come, can I see it, Ange?
You should have brought a plate.
Did you take
You should have
this
brought a
off?
plate.
Hey, it's a boy! Oh!
Turn it around.
Yeah, do you want to take it better?
Yeah.
Can I have that chocolate?
There, Rhea.
Yes. You can pause
Turn
it.
that up.
What's the names?
Thank you. So, tell them.
What's the names?
We don't have any names yet.
Tell them what you're having.
No.
It's a boy.